Living in Clearwater means enjoying sunshine, beautiful coastal views, and a relaxed lifestyle. However, it also means preparing for hurricane season and unpredictable storms. For homeowners, protecting your property from high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain is essential, and your windows are one of the most critical components of storm preparedness. Investing in high-quality, impact-resistant windows can help you protect your Clearwater home while offering additional long-term benefits. Here's why upgrading to storm-ready windows is a smart decision. Unmatched protection during storms. During a hurricane or severe storm, your windows are often the most vulnerable part of your home. Traditional windows can shatter easily under the force of flying debris or strong winds, leaving your home exposed to water damage, dangerous glass shards, and structural issues caused by pressure changes. High-quality impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. These windows feature shatter-resistant glass. A durable interlayer keeps the glass intact, even if it cracks upon impact. Reinforced frames. Strong materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass prevent warping and add structural integrity. Tight seals. Protect against leaks and drafts, keeping rain and wind out. By installing impact-resistant windows, you can safeguard your family, property, and belongings during even the fiercest storms. Reduced risk of property damage. When windows break during a storm, the damage doesn't stop at shattered glass. Broken windows allow wind and water to enter your home, which can lead to flooding, mold growth, and structural issues. Additionally, a sudden pressure change caused by a broken window can damage your roof and walls, increasing the cost of repairs. High-quality storm windows act as a barrier against these risks. By staying intact, they prevent water intrusion and pressure-related damage, minimizing the potential for costly repairs after a storm. Enhanced safety and security. Impact-resistant windows don't just protect your Clearwater home from storms, they also improve security year-round. The same shatter-resistant design that withstands flying debris makes it extremely difficult for intruders to break into your home. Unlike standard windows, which can shatter with a single blow, storm windows hold firm even after repeated impacts. This added layer of protection gives you peace of mind knowing your home and family are safe from both storms and break-ins. Energy efficiency benefit. While storm protection is a top priority, high-quality windows also contribute to your home's energy efficiency. Impact-resistant windows are built with advanced insulation features, such as multiple panes of glass, reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Low E coatings. Reflect heat while allowing natural light into your home. Gas-filled spaces. Argon or krypton gas between the panes reduces energy loss. In Clearwater's warm and sunny climate, these energy-saving features help keep your home cooler and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. As a result, you'll enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction. Living in Clearwater often means dealing with outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction. High-quality storm windows offer excellent soundproofing capabilities thanks to their multi-layered glass and durable frames. By reducing external noise, these windows create a quieter, more peaceful home environment where you can relax and unwind. Increased home value. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows is an investment that adds significant value to your home. Prospective buyers in Clearwater recognize the importance of storm protection, and homes equipped with high-quality windows are more attractive on the real estate market. Additionally, many insurance providers offer discounts on homeowners' insurance premiums for homes with impact-resistant windows. By investing in these windows, you'll not only protect your home but also save money in the long run. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. High-quality storm windows are designed to withstand Clearwater's harsh climate, including heat, humidity, and salty air. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, corrosion, and fading, ensuring long-term durability with minimal maintenance. Unlike traditional windows that may need frequent repairs or replacements, impact-resistant windows offer reliable performance for years to come. This durability provides peace of mind and reduces the long-term cost of window upkeep. Protect your Clearwater home with storm-ready windows. Storm season can be unpredictable, but protecting your Clearwater home doesn't have to be. Installing high-quality, impact-resistant windows is one of the most effective ways to safeguard your property, enhance security, and improve energy efficiency. Whether you're preparing for hurricane season or looking to upgrade your home's value and comfort, impact-resistant windows are a smart, long-term investment. Consult with a professional window installation company in Clearwater to explore your options and ensure your home is ready for whatever the weather brings. Don't wait for the next storm. Take action today to protect your home and your loved ones.